Today, we're going to delve into a financial tool you likely use every day but may not completely understand: the debit card. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a debit card is, how it operates, its advantages and disadvantages, and tips on using it effectively. A debit card is issued by your bank and provides direct access to your bank account. Unlike a credit card where you borrow funds from the bank, using a debit card means you are spending your own money. For example, if you have $500 in your checking account and buy a pair of shoes for $50 using your debit card, that amount is immediately deducted from your account, leaving you with $450. It's straightforward. No bills, no interest charges. You're simply spending what you own. It's important to recognize that a debit card is not a credit card. Using a debit card is akin to utilizing digital cash. Why use a debit card instead of cash? Convenience. Debit cards are easier and safer to carry than cash. They are accepted almost everywhere, useful for online purchases, paying bills, and ATM withdrawals. Financial control. A debit card limits your spending to the available balance in your account, helping you manage your finances and avoid credit card debt. However, debit cards are not without their drawbacks. Security risks. If your card is stolen or your details are compromised, fraudsters can drain your checking account. Most banks offer protections, but recovering your funds can take time. Credit history. Debit cards do not contribute to your credit history. If you're considering a future loan or mortgage, using a credit card responsibly could be advantageous for building your credit score. Tips for using your debit card wisely. Monitor your spending. Regularly check your account balance and transactions using your bank's app or online services. Safeguard your card information. Keep your card number, expiration date, and security code confidential. Only share this information with trusted parties. Report issues immediately. If your card is lost or stolen, contact your bank right away to protect your funds. That wraps up today's discussion. Remember, a debit card is just a tool. Its impact on your financial health depends on how you use it. Achieving financial success requires knowledge, effort, and discipline, not magic.